Well, good morning. I'm Jagendra Rana. The topic of the day is term insurance with disability cover. Term insurance with disability cover. The people frequently insure their valuable possessions, such as vehicles, homes, and health. However, not everyone insures something that is critical for survival, the ability to work and earn a living. So, aside from standard insurance policies, a disability insurance plan is an important sort of insurance that everyone should have. If you are not fully prepared, a long term incapacity can wreak havoc on your personal finances and savings. Moreover, the unpredictability of life has made it necessary to plan financially for certain scenarios if you are unable to return to work due to a catastrophic illness or injury. Permanent disability insurance is accidental disability insurance can replace a portion of your income. So people with disabilities can choose from a variety of insurance plans to meet their needs. Let's understand more what is disability insurance and how it works in detail. Disability insurance, as the name implies, is a sort of insurance that pays out if a policyholder is unable to work and earn an income due to a disability. In case of an accident or disease, such a policy can protect you financially. If you become disabled as a result of it, it can replace a portion of the income if the insured individual is unable to work due to their conditions. So the disability insurance plan will also cover any medical bills you may incur as a result of the therapy depending on the policy terms. So during challenging times in life, having the support of disability insurance benefits can assist you to maintain their lifestyle without falling into extreme financial hardships. Depending on your preferences, you can opt for short-term or long-term disability insurance in India. Let's see how disability insurance works. Understanding what is disability insurance is a crucial step in comprehensive financial planning. Disability insurance in India is a contract between insurance firms and policyholders. So the insurance company agrees to give you a monthly benefit amount in exchange for your payments if you experience a condition that prevents you from working. So generally, standard disability insurance policies include coverage for entire incapacity due to an accident. For the temporary and permanent, if you have become totally or permanently incapacitated, you will receive the entire sum assured. Entire sum assured if you are covered under permanent disability insurance. If the disability is partial, the policy will pay a proportion of the covered amount based on the degree of disability. You must make the regular payment to keep your coverage active, just like any other sort of insurance. If any injury stops you from working at your regular job but allows you to undertake alternative sorts of work that diminishes your income, some disability insurance policies will pay you a monthly benefit. Your benefit amount will almost always be a percentage of your income. Typically, policies pay 60 to 80% of your pre-disability earnings. The benefit term could be a set number of months or years, or it could last until you reach a specific age. So the nature of income to be replaced, the period of payable benefits, the medical history, and the waiting period for policyholders before they can receive the benefits are all factors that influence the cost of disability insurance in India. So whether it is accidental disability insurance or long-term disability insurance or permanent disability insurance, because the types of disability insurance available in India are various. The disability insurance is intended to replace a portion of the income you lose as a result of your inability to work. So to ensure that you can fulfill your financial obligations when you are unable to work, such as paying bills, covering domestic expenses, and providing for your family. However, one of us has a unique financial and medical history. As a result, the financial assistance must be tailored to the specific requirements. So this means the major financial decisions such as whether or not to get disability insurance are influenced by such considerations. It is critical to understand the options available if you are looking to include disability insurance in your financial portfolio. In India, disability insurance is classified mostly according to the length of coverage. To help you get a better understanding, here are two types of disability insurance in India. Short-term, first one is short-term disability insurance. So the short-term disability insurance, as the name implies, covers you for a limited time. So for most disability insurance policies in India, the waiting time is no longer than 40 days. The benefits given by the policy are similar, limited to maximum of 2 years. You can keep receiving benefits under a short-term disability insurance policy until you have covered or exhausted coverage amount in. So in general, short-term disability insurance in India covers injuries sustained as a result of an accident or as a result of long-term illnesses. Second one is long-term disability insurance. So the long-term disability insurance is essentially the same as permanent disability insurance. It is so because the insured individual can receive benefits for a period spanning from a few years to their entire life. So in this situation, the waiting period can last anything from weeks to months. A long-term disability insurance in India often covers catastrophic illnesses and injuries that could result in the loss of employment. So it provides protection against a variety of medical diseases, including heart disease, tissue rupture, mental illness, cancer, and more. So while the minimum and maximum sum insured vary per insurer, the minimum and maximum entry ages for individuals to opt for disability insurance are 18 and 17 years old respectively. It's a wise financial decision to select disability insurance that corresponds to your need. With so many alternatives accessible nowadays, making a decision may be difficult. So when purchasing disability insurance in India, there are certain key considerations to keep in mind, just as there are when making any major financial choice. So to make the purchasing process easier for you, here are a few suggestions. Say, before purchasing disability insurance, make sure you thoroughly assess your family's financial situation. It will aid you in determining the appropriate coverage level in the event that you require assistance in the future. When purchasing disability insurance, consider your liabilities, life goals, dependents' demands, lifestyle requirements, pre-existing medical issues, and other relevant aspects. Do your homework and compare the various disability benefit insurance available in India to choose the best benefits. It is ideal to understand short-term disability insurance, long-term disability insurance, and permanent disability insurance coverage. So for complete protection, choose a disability insurance policy that includes expanded coverage for a variety of eventualities. Read the terms and conditions of the disability insurance policy before purchasing it and avoid any future disappointments. What disease disability insurance covers? Let us look at the coverage that disability insurance provides. A weekly benefit is provided as compensation for lost income due to short-term impairments up to the policy period where the benefits are payable. In the event of a disability caused by an accident, the insured will get a certain percentage of the sum covered depending on the accident disability insurance terms. A disability insurance policy may also provide a premium waiver as part of the basic coverage. Some of the conditions recognized as a disability under disability insurance include blindness, low vision, leprosy, hearing impairment, mental illnesses, and more. So, in case of an unfortunate event leading to disability, something from the insured family must promptly, someone from the insured family must promptly notify the insurance company of the claim via customer service support for the documents given to the insurance company in order to settlement of claim are normal, like completed and signed claim form, summary of hospital discharge, this hospital final bill, a medical board issues a certificate of incapacity. But the insurance provider will review the claim intimation for disability insurance policy and relevant papers after receiving them, and then compensate you within a specified time frame. So depending on the disease or cause of accident, the insurance policy for disability may have some exclusions. So accept those risks. This is a good policy which will provide the coverage for all kind of customers. Reason being, today, as per a report of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, India, despite having only 1% of the world vehicles, account for 6% of all road crashes. So according to experts, close to 5 to 7 lakh people in the country suffer from temporary or permanent disability each year due to the high rates of accidents and crippling diseases, and lose their ability to work and earn a livelihood. So the onset of a disability often brings substantial health care expenses, making comprehensive insurance coverage crucial to prevent social and financial decline. So a study titled Measuring the Financial Impact of Disability in India, available on the National Institute of Health website, suggests around 1/5, that is 20.32% of the households' monthly consumption expenditure was spent on out-of-pocket expenses for disability. More than half, that is 57.1% of the households were pushed to catastrophic health expenditure due to one of the members being disabled. Almost 1/5, that is 19.1% of the households that were above the poverty line before one of the members was treated for disability were pushed below the poverty line. In a country like India, where there is no social security coverage like those in developed nations, and where 2.2% of the population is disabled, having disability income protection becomes prudent. So recently launched group health insurance products covers both temporary and permanent disabilities arising from the physical or mental illnesses, accidents, and unforeseen events that results in income loss. So the plan provides a safety net by replacing up to 75% of the pre-disability income per month, along with the potential coverage for loan, EMIs, and credit card minimum payments. So the rising living cost and greater awareness of financial security through insurance are driving this trend. As accident rate climbs, more individuals and companies are seeking disability and income loss coverage, leading to higher penetration rates. Thank you. Thank you very much.